Here we go. Alright, let's begin. I've learned. So, turn on my laptop. Here. So when we load ECU and the mass airflow sensor, we have to calculate the K constant and the latency for the things. So the current value that this actually loads is 183, but of course we try to load it as ECU style. So let me try to do 673 and 620, 720 there. Gives me that. So let's load the ECU. And then we'll give it a start. So I think I'm getting somewhere with that. Alright, so we hit apply. And we hit apply here. Yeah, that needs to hit auto apply, so should this. Alright, with that, go ahead and upload this. Oh, I have to, of course, I have to connect. So let's connect. And now we upload what we've been playing with. According to this. Oh wait, I should do this first. Turn it back on. Okay. Sounds different, don't it? Oh. Alright. So, a lot of the heat up. So we're trying to lower change the values. Oh, damn. Oh wait, it's still going up. That's a big change though. That is a big change. Oh, my calculations aren't almost there. That's much better. Almost. Almost there. That's awesome. Yo, that's amazing. That is amazing. We are making progress. Of course. Alright. Reconnect. So, let's go with 643. Latency's at 720. Let's go 710. Okay. Upload. Two. Cool. Okay. So, cool. All right. Okay, this time we up the latency to 745, and we'll put this around 647 for now. Okay, so 7, the latency is a little too much on this one. So let's go back to 710. This one, 645. 649. Okay. Oh, that could be another thing too. I didn't upload it. Oops. Yeah. Maybe that's what's up. Alright. Let's go 750. Now let's upload this. Okay. Connecting out. Let's go 6:38. Turn this off. Back on to load the new ECU settings. Okay, so I didn't like that one, but it's only off by a few. So let's go 6:45. Hit apply and upload. Alright, turn you off. Back on. Latency might be too long. Let's reconnect. Connect. Let's go 7:35. Cool. That was a bad idea. Alright, connect and upload. Oops. Upload. Okay, and off you go. Here's what we do. Back to this. Reconnect. Maybe. Okay. Whoops. Let's go back to where we had it, 710. That actually was pretty decent. And just put that around 70, not 49 this time. Okay, turn this off. Reload ECU and on. What we're keeping an eye on is So back to original numbers. I'll take that for now. Cool. I'm gonna let the air cool down for a minute. Alright, so let's reanalyze this. Okay. Alright, so that's one thing done. We figured out how to tame the beast. Knowing that these two numbers calculated properly and right gives me a better understanding of the air fuel ratios. But that it dies when I rub it up to lower it. Have to research more how to prevent that. But that is a major success here. We're making great work. I can smell that oil burning off. Another good reason why I need to let it cool off. Success, yeah. Okay. So the whole point of that is I'm trying to get to what they call stoic for my gauge, and that's 14 to 1. And once I achieve that at idle, I think I am good to go from there for being a tune to get myself out the door and drivable. But the other problem right now is I gotta figure out why when I rev it up it dies. Just like that. I can only think of either I need to figure out the issue with why is it idling a little too high, which I might have to revisit this now since I got a new tune, and might have to retime it just a little better and somehow drop those RPMs down a little. We are making success. I don't know. That's a lot of research I've been doing and calculations. When I started this off, both of these numbers started at 550. Just because my injectors are 550, but my injectors are also low impedance or impedance or whatever you want to call it. I mean, they're from a DSM 550 cc's, so turn that off. Cool. We made success.